Good morning out there, Jen, Stampin' for Fun peeps. I know this is absolutely crazy. I'm doing a Facebook Live at 7:05 in the morning on a Monday morning. Like, what? Where is this coming from? So the reason why you can't actually see me is because it was totally impromptu that I decided to do this. I am still in my pajamas, hair unkempt. I came down to do some work this morning, and I was getting ready to send my Stampin' for Fun members their monthly tutorials. So my Stampin' for Fun members, they all get a, here, I'll maybe grab this to show you. All of my Stampin' for Fun club members, they get all these little perks on here. So they get like free catalogs, they get a technique class each month, they get free products once during their 10-month term, they get a 20% discount for their birthday month, and each month I send them additional tutorials on top of the tips from the technique class. And then on top of that, they get invitation to the Hostess Appreciation event. They get a discount on my 3-time-a-year stamp camp. So these are all the perks that my Stampin' for Fun members get. So I was just sitting down and thinking, okay, let me just do the tutorials and get everything ready because I saw them last week at technique class and I just wanted to send everything out. And so one of the cards that we had made in class, I didn't have sometimes I just send links to other websites where I've gotten inspiration and things like that. But this card, it was super easy and I just kind of made it. So I thought, you know what, maybe I'll do a video for the girls so that they've got all the measurements and everything. And then I thought, oh, what the heck, I'm doing a video. Why not do it live anyway, so that those of you who are getting ready for the day can have a little morning entertainment. Instead of breakfast TV, it is Stampin' for Fun TV, I guess. And then those of you who aren't watching it live, you can always watch it afterwards. So I thought, what the heck, live on the edge. So it was going to be just a regular video, but now it ended up being a live video because I'm hoping that I'll be able to kind of download it and still email it out to my club girls. So just so you know, these are the cards that we made at technique class last week. The theme was fancy folds. And so this one is kind of like a double Z fold card. So there's a Z fold here and then one in front here, and then we also did a side step kind of card just like that, and this is using some of the new holiday paper. I think it's the Joyous Noel holiday paper. And then, okay, this is one of my favorites that we did on Monday. The outside is cute, I think it's cute, but really the party is all on the inside. So can you see it's like a little box that kind of pops up, a little shadow there. And this is using that cute animal outing stamp set. So that's what we made at technique class on Monday. So if any of you are interested in learning sort of step up things for your cards, not the usual, or learning different ways to use your products, technique class is for you. Normally it's the first Monday of the month. I do it up here in Markham, Ontario. And yeah, you can totally get take it to go options if you're not able to make it up here. But why don't we dive in? If you are getting on live, feel free to comment and everything, but I know it's crazy. I don't think anybody will be on live at 7 a.m. in the morning. But if you are, feel free to comment because I love to connect with people. But what we're going to do is I'm going to do the card because the whole point is I wanted a video to send out to my Stampin' for Fun girls, and I'll probably put it onto my blog on Watch It Wednesday so that you can see it there too. So what I did is I took a piece of the Smoky Slate cardstock and I'm just putting it at the 4 1/4 mark. So the short edge is right against the top there. Oh, I think I see Emily in Quebec probably wondering why I'm doing a Facebook Live at 7 a.m. in the morning. So sorry, Emily, you missed the whole introduction as to why I'm doing this. It's completely impromptu and has no rhyme or reason whatsoever. Anyway, it's just for fun. So at the 4 1/4 mark, I'm just gonna slice this cardstock in half. Okay, so I'm just gonna use 1/2 here. And then I'm gonna score it in half at the 4 1/4 mark. 5 1/2. 5 1/2. I'm gonna score it right here at the 5 1/2 mark. Okay, so that gives us our card base. And what we're gonna do is I'm going to take this front panel and I am going to actually fold it back so that it meets the other edge here. Okay, that's it. And then I'm just gonna use my bone folder to burnish that. So that is a basic way that we could do a Z-fold card. There's the base, and then I just decided to use Blushing Bride and the lovely floral dynamic textured embossing folder. So I'll just slip that in here and we'll run it through the Big Shot. Now this is one of the thicker textured embossing folders. So what that means is when we're making the sandwich on the Big Shot, we just need the platform, and then we need our folder, and then just one cutting plate will be enough there. And then we'll just roll it through. Okay, and so really we've done kind of the main part of that Z-fold card. We're just decorating right now, so you can decorate it in all kinds of ways. So I'm using the Blushing Bride cardstock. There we go, there's our beautiful floral. I decided to go for a whole floral theme here. Oh, I didn't tell you the measurements. Okay, basically it's 2 1/2 by 4 inches. 2 1/2 by 4 inches, right there. Let's glue that on with our handy dandy snail, and we will stick that right on. Okay, and then I'm using this beautiful Petal Promenade DSP. It's one of my favorites. So we'll put that down, and the measurement of that is 4 inches by 5 1/4. We're just gonna stick that in here. Okay, see how quickly the card's coming together? And then I cut another smoky slate cardstock piece, and it is 9 inches by 3 inches. So 9 inches by 3 inches. I scored it at the 3-inch mark and the 6-inch mark to get this Z-fold idea again. Okay, and then I used the very vanilla cardstock, and this is cut at 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. So I'm going to use the Smoky Slate ink pad. I love how everything matches, and I'm just using the words from the beautiful Promenade coordinating stamp set. It coordinates great with the DSP. So you'll see there's lots of words and lots of images in this stamp set right there. So I'm just gonna, I have lots of people I just sometimes think about or pray about, so why not send them a card? So here we go. Okay, so look how clean and crisp that is. And then I will just decorate it a little bit. You could decorate it more, of course, but again, just sticking with the coordinating colors. This is the Blushing Bride and the Petal Promenade stamp set. I'm just going to put some of the little flower elements in the corner here. I'll hold it up closer so that you can see it. I don't know. Hopefully this is turning out okay. I mean, like, what? Crazy 7 a.m. Facebook Live, but here we go. Sorry about all the shadows. Okay, so that's it. That 2 3/4 square is just going to go on here. If I wanted to, I could do it on the inside piece. This is the piece that you would maybe write your message on. Okay, so let's glue that on. And the great thing about Z-fold cards is sometimes if you fold the wrong way, it just means you kind of flip the card and fold it the other way. I really feel like there's not too many ways to go wrong with these Z-fold cards. Okay, so this goes just like that on here. And now here's the trick with these cards, is what I do is I line up where I want this piece. So, because this is the piece that I want in the center to write the message. So I'm going to glue this piece down first. I mean, it's all one piece, just with the score lines, but I am going to put this part down first and just have it centered the way I like it. Then I'm going to apply adhesive just on this side here. And then I kind of fold the card together, because if I kind of do this randomly, it's not going to fold properly. So I kind of fold the card down first and then stick that piece on. Okay, just like that. And that is our card. So fast, so easy. And so I hope you'll give it a try. You can try Z-fold cards as well at home with whatever supplies you have. But if you do need any supplies, I do have an ordering special going on for September. Just head to my online store. As long as your minimum order is $40, you will get a free gift. So if you go to my blog, which I don't have right here, but it's jenstampinforfun.blogspot.com, and just look for my September ordering special. You will see it there, and you'll see a special host code you can use. But hopefully this inspires you, and remember, if you are local or you want the to-go, you want the cards, you want to receive the cards, think about my technique class, because there's all sorts of different funky things that we do. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day. Bye.